Welcome to Project Skill Fusion, where we harvest excellence, cultivate talent, and ignite passion. We gather, we inspire, we unveil talent, and we build dreams. The goals of this project are gather talented people, team up with passionate dreamers, earn money, combine ability, create quality content, foster talent and abilities for collective growth, and expand and create companies. Though the last goal might sound impossible, if you watch the whole video, you will understand how. Gathering talented people helps prevent wasted potential by providing a supportive environment for collaboration, feedback, and growth. Being part of a talented community fosters motivation, accountability, and opportunities, inspiring individuals to pursue excellence and achieve their goals.